Srimannarayana, 23rd sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Rupam mahatte bahuvaktra netram mahabaho bahu बाहुरुपादं बहुदरं बहुदंष्ट्रा करालं दृष्ट्वा लोकाः प्रव्यथिताः तथाहम्. Om. Realize that all the planets, entire cosmos, wonder-struck and fear-struck by seeing Sri Krishna Paramatma's huge, great Visvarupam, which has so many mouths, so many eyes, so many fangs, so many stomachs, approach an authentic, authoritative Acharya and get Narayana Mantra to understand, to enjoy Sri Krishna Paramatma's universal form, all-pervasiveness. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that all the planets are wonderstruck and fear-struck by seeing your huge, great Visvarupam. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, bless me to approach an authentic Acharya to get Narayana Mantra by which I can understand, I can experience, I can enjoy your all-pervasiveness and Visvarupam. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂದಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂದಂ 175th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Balarama and Krishna, both of them along with their friends, enjoying Vrindavanam, and they are taking all the calves and going into the forests, and while taking care of calves, they also do so many activities like Kvachit Vadayataha Venuhu. They used to sing songs and do the flute. Kshepanaihi Kshipataha Kvachit. They used to throw stones to the trees and get the fruits from the trees. And they play with balls. And also they imitate the sounds of all the birds and other animals. Like that, Prakrutau Yadha. Just like an ordinary boys, Balarama and Krishna, they are mingling with other Gopalas and playing with all of them just like ordinary boys. And while the days were passing, one of those days, Kadachit Yamuna Tire Krishna Balayoho Jighamsuhu Daityaha Agamat. One Rakshasa, one demon came down there. At the banks of the river Yamuna, Balarama, Krishna and other friends were playing. At that time, one demon came and in order to kill Balarama and Krishna, that demon became a calf and joined into all other calves. Then tam vatsarupinam vikshya vatsayudhagatam harihi darsayan baladevaya shanaihi mugdha iva asadat. That demon calf Bhakta Sangati Krepai Chanuvani Mrola Krepai Tirigan started behaving like a so nice calf and going just behind Krishna. All the time that demon calf is going around and going behind Krishna and behaving very nicely. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namara Shatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 11th chapter 23rd श्लोक. रूपं महत्ते बहुवक्त्रनेत्रम् महाबाहो बहुबाहुरुपादं बहुदरं बहुदंष्ट्राकरालं दृष्ट्वा लोकाः प्रव्यथितास्तथाहम्. रूपं महत्ते बहुवक्त्रनेत्रं महाबाहो बहुबाहुरुपादं बहुदरं बहुदंष्ट्राकरालं दृष्ट्वा लोकाः प्रव्यथितास्तथाहम्. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.